ladder set up here. And we're about ready to get to brushing. Wonderful ladder. Extend, climb. Great ladder. Okay. Now, I brought up only the tools I need. You don't need to bring the whole bag up, everything included. So I just brought up what I need. I know it's a single-story home, obviously, and I know the vent runs straight down. Probably not even this many rods, probably only really 4 rods, plus the spring leader, which is like 12 feet, 13 feet. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make a bit of a mess. Okay? Attach your spring leader to the rod. Sit her down in there. Remember, the dryer is running on air only. We don't want to really have any heat because we don't want to risk, blowing like a thermal fuse or anything. So we're just gonna brush this down. It's gonna blow all the stuff up and out. Now, I don't like doing it this way normally, if you've seen my other videos, but because the roof is flat, I should be able to get pretty much all of the bits up and clean up all the debris without leaving anything. It's not like your typical home where you do this and then everything ends up in rocks and in the dirt and in the grass. You can't get it all, but this roof is pretty much flat. I can kind of be able to sweep it all up with my hands. I don't like how messy this is too, like just the amount of dust that comes up is not cool. Next, this will probably be the last stick right here. Should take me right to the turn. Yep. Yeah. There's the bottom. You can hear it. There you go. So, as you can see, not terrible. Easily able to be picked up. Now I'll take a picture down the pipe and we'll see what we got. Alright, I went and took off the entire cap, as you can see. It's simple enough to put on, you just screw them back on the sides here. But, I don't know if you can see it with the camera, I can see with my eyes. I can see all the way down to the dryer hose. So there's pristine in there. So we're gonna put the cap back on. We're gonna pick up this stuff. We'll be on our way. Clean as a whistle. Nice and good. Airflow is still awesome, obviously.